Let's go through it. How do you let go of past bad decisions that you made or interactions where you let others down? First and foremost, make peace with it. Number one is make peace with it. How do you make peace with it? Go to the memory and think and say, I'll move this over just a bit. I bless this situation and I bless the goodness of God within this situation. Man, that is miraculous. Put peace to the situation. I bless this situation. I bless the goodness of God within it. Extract the good, because there is some good from that, Julie. Now, there's some things that, sure, there might be challenging in the situation and all that stuff that's coming up. But also at the same time, there's a lot of good. There's learning lessons. There's things that you did differently the second time around, right? Bless the goodness within it, because there is goodness. Activate that. And that's a great way of, how do you make peace with it? Say that in mind. Send love to the person involved. You can even say in mind, I did the best I could. They did the best they could with the awareness at the time. We're all doing the best we can with our current level of awareness. It's so easy to look back and say, oh my God, I should have done it this way. I should have done this instead. Right? But we can't do that. We can't beat ourselves up because we have a different level of awareness than we did a month ago, than we did a week ago, or 2 years ago, or 20 years ago, right? We're in a very different stage of evolving our being. So you send love out to that person. You say, you know, I did the best I could. You did the best you could with the awareness at the time. While sending love, if needed, you can forgive, apologize, let out anything needed. And you do that, again, this is all within. So within that memory. You forgive, you say, you know, I forgive you, or whatever it is. And remember, forgiving is not meaning that person was right for what they did. It means letting go. Forgiving, again, does not mean that person, situation, or yourself was right. It just means I don't want to think about this and drink my own mental poison anymore. I'm going to let this go. You can apologize if you feel like that's needed, or let out anything needed. Take a breath. And then follow your intuition. Externally, like in person, you may write a letter, a call, a meetup. Eliminate old stuff associated with the situation, etc. You go through that and you write, say, a forgiveness letter, an apology letter. You can send it or you don't. I mean, if you write the letter, that doesn't mean you need to send it. It just means that you're going to write your thoughts and feelings on paper. You could call up somebody. If you feel like you really need to call somebody up and make amends, then you do it. But it's not always necessary. If you can make amends within, it's usually dissolved. There's an energy thing that we're making clear, if you will. If you have old stuff, like old paperwork from the situation, you have a cabinet full of stuff from the situation, get rid of it, eliminate it. You eliminate things associated with that to clear the energy. And you should feel full of life after that entire scenario. And your final part there, do I need to make things right where I can, or let go and realize that it's a lesson we both learned? Okay, so your question kind of answered in, start with step 1, start with step 2, then go to step 3. You may need to, if it feels right, do something on the external to let it go, or maybe talk, or whatever that is. But again, a great process to keep in your notes. This is making peace with the past. Many other ideas attached to that that we can add in, but these are really the 3 main points. Okay, take a screenshot of this.